Prepare to be amazed by the latest breakthrough in language models, Chat GPT4. This is different to Chat GPT3. It has the ability to learn on the go and adapt to any context, making it an incredibly versatile and intelligent machine. But that's not all. Can you imagine a machine that can understand and respond appropriately to specific industries and domains? Chat GPT4 has this power, making it an invaluable tool for businesses and organizations. Like and subscribe right now because you cannot miss out on these upcoming videos. Can you believe that Chat GPT4 can generate dialogue that mimics natural human conversation? Its responses are so human-like that it's almost impossible to distinguish between machine-generated and human-generated responses. Are you ready for a new era in customer service? ChatGPT4 has the potential to revolutionize this industry with its ability to provide personalized and accurate responses to recognizing patterns in customer queries. And what about education? ChatGPT4 can provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapting to their learning styles, and creating interactive study materials. But the most thrilling potential of ChatGPT4 lies in the field of healthcare. Imagine a machine that can assist healthcare professionals in diagnosing and treating patients, analyzing patient data, and providing accurate medical information. And let's not forget about its impact on education. ChatGPT4 has the potential to transform the way we learn by providing personalized and interactive study materials, adapting to each student's learning style. It can even stimulate conversations with historical figures, providing a unique and engaging way for students to learn about history. The possibilities are endless, and ChatGPT4 is leading the way in this groundbreaking technology. Are you excited about this feature of ChatGPT4? We certainly are. This technology has the potential to revolutionize our lives and with the way we interact with machines. So join us on this exciting journey and stay tuned for more updates and advancements in the world of AI and machine learning.